Why you should date my followers. First up, we have Hiksu. Did you know that Hiksu got banned from Hinge for saying that she's 6'9" and she likes beating up men? Why would you not want to wife up a girl like that? उसकी आंखें देखो तुम. ऐसी लड़की से तुम क्यों पिटाई नहीं खाना चाहोगे? You know she's a baddie when she comes with a piercing. Next up, we have Asmita. Now imagine her in your mom's sari. How beautiful would she look? And you're absolutely missing out on that view. She's low-key giving the kind of girl that can fix you up. I just don't understand why the fuck is my girl still single. Next up, we have Ronak. If you want a guy that can make your ex jealous, you can contact him. If you want a guy that you can low-key post thirst traps with, Ron. You know he literally knows the best biryani spot in places. Like who knows what other spots he knows? Guess you'll have to find out. He's an author. He can cook well. He's an art gallery connoisseur, and on top of that, he has a big fucking adult job. Nerdy glasses. Parth, I don't know what you do in strategy, but whatever strategy you're doing here, I absolutely love it. This boy ran 40 kilometers on his 25th birthday. Now imagine the kind of stamina he has. A girl with a smile like that. Can you even imagine why she's still single? Like look at her in this sari. Ree is the kind of girl जो तुम्हारे साथ रात के 11 बजे क्लब भी जाएगी और सुबह उठ के मेडिटेशन भी करेगी. Finally, we have Parsh. First of all, how dare you look at his shots? Literally not giving you the consent to look at his shots. Just don't. Look at me. Did you know that he can burp on water? But this man will do glue glue. He seems like Char Diwari.